So here the running race is there between Nisha and Usha in your workbook page number 196. You can see the picture. This Usha and Nisha running a race as shown in the figure. Usha is running on the inner circle. Nisha is running on the outer circle. Nisha runs faster than Usha, but still she loses the race. Why? See, here you can see Usha is running from the inner circle and Nisha is running on outer circle. Nisha is running faster than the Usha, but she loses the race. Why? Because you can see the inner circle is small and the outer circle is bigger. So that's why this Nisha loses this race. Okay. Now on the next page also running race is there. Here you can see in the picture. As shown in the figure, if Rakesh, Kinjal and Jatin run a race from a definite point in the same speed, then who will reach first and why? Here you can see this Rakesh, Kinjal and Jatin run a race from a definite point. उनको point दे दिए गए वहाँ से वो लोग start करेंगे. So who will reach first? कौन सबसे पहले पहुंचेगा यहाँ पे? Here in this race the places are different. You can see for Rakesh the place is here. For Kinjal this running race start from here, and this for Jatin whose place is here. So different place is marked for the different children. So here who will win this race? So जो भी फास्ट दौड़ेगा ये रेस में वो जीतेगा. ओके, बिकॉज द प्लेसेस आर डिफरेंट. देखो इनर सर्कल जो है उसका जो प्लेस है वो दूर है, थोड़ा यहाँ पे है. उसके बाहर का जो सर्कल है वहाँ पे प्लेस यहाँ पे है, और सबसे बाहर का जो सर्कल है वो चाइल्ड का प्लेस जो है थोड़ा दूर मार्क किया है फिनिशिंग पॉइंट से. तो द प्लेसेस आर डिफरेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्कल. सो दोज हु विल रन फास्ट, दैट चाइल्ड विल win in this race. Okay, now we'll go to the next question number 11. Question number 11. As shown in the figure, are both the gardens equally big? How? Here you can see two parks are given. You have to measure it and then you have to write the answer, which is the gardens are equal or not. Next question is question number 12. Which is the biggest leaf in the picture given below and why? Here in this picture the leaf, 4 leaves are there. So from this you have to search which one is the bigger. So B leaf is bigger than the other leaf. You can see more complete squares are there in that leaf. Okay, B1 is the biggest leaf in this picture. Turn the page. On the next page, this is also same as question number 12. Which is the smallest leaf in the picture given below? So here you can see leaf B is the smallest leaf in this given picture. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Is question number 14. Find the length of the boundary of the given figures. So here you can see the two figures are there and the measurement is given over here 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. but all the squares are equal, so you just count it. So we'll get the answer 18 centimeter. Both the sides are equal here, 1 centimeter in each square. So if you will count it, so you will get the length of the boundary. Second one is also same. All the sides length is 1 centimeter. So you just count it, so we'll get 20 centimeter. Next is question number 15. How many small squares of 1 centimeter length are there in the figure? How many small squares of 1 centimeter length are there in the figure? So you just count it here in this square. Small squares are there whose length is 1 centimeter. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Both the sides 6 squares are there. So you just multiply 6 multiplied by 6, it is 36 centimeter. The unit is given in centimeter. So 36 small squares are there in this big square. Next is how many squares of 1 centimeter can fill in the figure 1 and figure 2, draw and write. So here you can see in the first one, horizontally and vertically squares are there. See in here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 fours are 32 square we can draw in this rectangle shape. In figure 1 we can draw 32 squares. In the second one you can see here it is empty, only 4 squares you can see, others I have drawn here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 fours are 28 squares you can draw in this second figure. Okay. That question number 17 also same as question number 16, that you have to solve it. It's very easy. Next is word problem, that will. Now we'll start question number 18, word problems. One by one I will read and I will explain you. First one, find the length of boundary of 50 centimeter long and 20 centimeter broad rectangular table. So here I have drawn the picture, this rectangular shape field is there. The boundary length is given here. Longer side is 50 centimeter and the shorter side is 20 centimeter broad. So here both the sides are same in rectangle. So here it is 50 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter. So here also we'll write 20 centimeter. Now we'll find out the length of the boundary. Here we find out the length of the boundary. Equal to 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. You have to add this all the length of this boundary. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 20, 120 and this 140. Like this you have to add 20 plus 20. All the measurement is given in centimeter. Here this is 0, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 12, 13 and 14. So answer is 140 centimeter is the total length of the boundary. Okay. Second one is also same as question number 1. How much total wire is needed for 64 meter long equal to 64 meter plus 64 meter plus 36 meter plus 36 meter. Just add it. 64, 64, 36, 36. All the measurement is given in meter. This 4 plus 4, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 6, that is 20, 32, 6, 7, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 3, 17 plus 3, 20. So 200 meter is the total length of this boundary. 200 meter. Okay. And two fans with 4 rows of thrown wire. So it is equal to 200 meter multiplied by 4. 4 twos are 800 meter. Thrown wire is needed to fence this boundary 4 times. 4 row of thrown wire. So 800 meter wire is needed. Now next, third one. Look in your workbook. Third one. I will read the question. How much total wire is needed for 50 meter length of square field to fence it with 3 rows of thrown wire? Here this is in square shape. This field is square shape. So all the sides are equal. So here we write 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Square की सारी sides equal होती है. Okay. So first we'll find out the length of the boundary. Equal to 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Means area of this field. So this is here how much? 200 centimeter. And how many? 3 rows of thrown wire. Fence it with 3 rows of thrown wire. So 200 multiplied by 3 centimeter. Here we write here centimeter. 2 3s are 6. So 600 centimeter wire is needed. Sorry, this unit is given in meter. So everywhere you have to write the unit meter. Okay. So here this is 600 meter. I hope this is clear to you. Only fourth one is remaining, that you have to solve by your own self. Last one question is remaining. So here your chapter number 13 is over. In this chapter we have seen how to find out the length of the boundary, how to measure it. That we have seen in this chapter. So here